So here's the barn site, and I'm not understanding or having trouble understanding or comprehending something. He came in here with the excavator, and you can see there's a couple logs here that are easily accessible with a chainsaw. But I'm not understanding this right here. Like, I'm gonna hire somebody to come in here and cut these logs up, and now they're in a pile covered in dirt and tree stumps, and there's even a rock over here. So the part I guess I'm not understanding is, how did clearing this shit off to the side in a huge heap with stumps and rocks and dirt on it make it easier for the person who's gonna come cut these up into firewood? I mean, I'd be really pissed off if I were the person who was hired to come cut these logs up, because now whoever does this has to remove all these stumps and shit in the way. There's literally a rock over there on top of a firewood log. All of these are usable firewood. Anything bigger than my arm in width is firewood. And I'm kind of wondering what the logic of doing this was. This is like the last thing that's gonna happen after the ponds are dug and the driveway is in. Would be worrying about leveling this out. Before any of that happens, somebody's got to come in here and cut up my shit for firewood, because I don't cut down trees and stuff them into a pile so they can rot. We're going to use it for firewood. I mean, how is somebody supposed to get to this to cut it up? I'm just wondering. I'm genuinely curious as to how this made it easier on anybody, or why this was done. Just cut down trees and fucking chuck them. That's not how I roll. I need firewood. You're taking money and just burying it under dirt. You're taking my fuel and you're burying it so I can't access it. Seriously, how the fuck is somebody supposed to come in here and access these now? They're gonna spend half the fucking day that I'm paying them to work removing these fucking stumps and this dirt to get at the firewood under here. I just can't with these people. Like, does anybody ever think ahead? This wasn't necessary yet. All the trees that were sitting here needed to be processed for firewood, and now a bunch of them are sitting in a pile covered in stumps and dirt. I don't get it. Like, seriously. Yeah, I don't fucking believe this. He's already started the second pond without me. I didn't show up this morning because I needed a break, and he was supposed to have gravel delivered this morning. That's what he told me. I didn't tell him to start doing this yet. What the fuck is he doing? I don't understand. Why is he doing this? I am so pissed off right now, I could scream. This whole part has to be dug out first, or he's gonna be in a swamp. Why is he doing this? I'm so pissed off right now. I don't want him fucking touching anything to do with ponds anymore. This guy is shit-canned on the ponds. He can finish the driveway and the logging work, and that's it. I'm gonna hire somebody else. Or run this fucking thing myself. This is ridiculous. This is not what I want. What is he doing? I don't know what the fuck he is doing, and I am so pissed off right now. He's not supposed to be doing any pond work without me. I'm the fucking pond designer. This is insane. I'm so pissed off right now. I am so very pissed off right now. I'm gonna have to have somebody come in here to fix this, so I don't want him touching any ponds anymore. I mean, this pond is going all the way over into here. And the next one, the first one that's not even fixed or done, is right here. And I just came over here to get a picture of it today to show to my instructor in my class how bad things are going with his ridiculous refusal to mellow out the angle on that slope right there. See where it's all steep and it's falling down? That can't be left like that, and he's planning on leaving it like that. He didn't listen, and now I have to pay somebody to come and move all this shit out of the way again. Drain this out again so they can get to there. Move those fucking rocks out of the way, because those aren't doing shit to stop that erosion. And cut into the top of the slope and mellow out that angle right there, or this is never going to stop crumbling. It's just going to keep going back and falling down. All the way the fuck back. And it's going to fall down into the pond. This is a fucking nightmare. Well, it is Thursday, October 24th, I think, and I'm glad the excavator operator isn't here yet, because I'm so angry my fucking hand is shaking. There is a pile of shit in the way, blocking access to the lower driveway and the pond that isn't finished yet. And I can't believe this shit. What are you doing? What the ever-loving fuck are you doing? This guy is absolutely shit-canned from pond duty. I can't believe he dug without me. Whatever excuse he has, my hand is fucking shaking. Sorry about that. I think the GoPro has a feature that's preventing the actual camera from shaking, but my whole fucking arm is shaking. I'm that angry right now. I'm so frustrated, I'm ready to cry. I'm gonna have to pay somebody else to come in here and fix all of this, and I'm so fucking angry. What the fuck did he do? I'm not sure if you guys know this, but let me reiterate that I have taken a $3,000 water restoration class, and I'm trying to get my certification, and part of that is to build a water body. I need to do that to pass the class, and every time this fucking guy does shit like this, I risk losing my chance at certification, because I didn't tell him to do any of this, and it's all done wrong. And this is now the second example of a pond that I can't turn in for a fucking water body project because it's all fucked up and done wrong. This one over here still hasn't been fixed. It was fixed his way, which means not at all. Placing rocks at the bottom of a really steep cliff doesn't prevent it from eroding. You can see how that is too steep and already eroding into the water right there, even though there's no spring coming out of it. Sorry, I had to turn off the camera for a few minutes and try to avoid having a fucking mental breakdown, and had to scream really loud for a bit. As I was trying to say before I lost it, this water now has to be drained the fuck out of here for anybody to get in here and do this correctly. And the fact that he didn't even start where the tags are up there is going to make it really hard for an excavator to get in here and do this correctly. I don't know why there's a yellow tag on that tree over there. These trees needed to come out for this pond to be dug, and oh my god, what the ever-loving fuck. I am so angry right now. Women out there, my advice right now and forever is, if you hire a man to do something and he doesn't listen to you, fucking shit can his ass immediately. Don't put up with any fucking mansplaining. Don't put up with any condescending, sexist comments or bullshit. Just shit can his ass and find somebody else, no matter how long it takes. I think I scared my dog off yelling. This is great. I don't know where he is. I am really fucking pissed off right now. So we're back over here at the first pond, which is still a clusterfuck, and yeah, those rocks he put there haven't stopped shit from fucking eroding. It might be preventing some of the clay from sliding down this way. but it isn't preventing that entire hillside from collapsing in and being unstable and being a problem. It can't stay at that angle. That is not how we make any part of a pond. It needs to be nicely sloped. By the way, I did that with a fucking shovel. Yes, it took me all day. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, that nice gentle slope right there took me all day with a fucking shovel. He didn't leave it like that. I had to move that dirt with a shovel. And I'm not doing that right there. I got chronic pain issues. Everything hurts every morning and every evening, and I'm just exhausted physically, mentally, and emotionally from this whole thing, and we're not even a week into this. So